Hey everybody, I received this beautiful eucalyptus privacy film from the brand. Let me tell you about it. The first thing you should know is here's the space that I put it in. You can see there's a lot of natural light, so I wanted to beautify it and give it a little bit more privacy. And you can see just how great and easily this rolls out. And you can see that rainbow feel that comes through. Now, this thing that's great about this is it can be reused. You can take it off and put it back on as needed. First, you want to measure your window. And then there's two ways that I install it. The first one is I measured and cut out directly the film from the roll before I put it on. And then I was able to just slip it into place. To put it into place, you want to wet down the window. Then you want to take off the plastic backing, and then you'll hang it. And then once you've started to press it into place, just take like a credit card or something like that. And then you want to just smoothly go over it and get all of the bubbles out like you see here. The second option I did was I wet the window, and then I put the whole film on this time. And then I was able to rub it into place. And then after I did that, I went with a straight edge and I cut off all the sides. It was actually much easier for me to do that, but you do run the risk of cutting your windows, so just be careful, but I like that off better. You can see just how beautiful this is, the rainbow colors that come through, the privacy. It still lets in a lot of light. You can see how it changes our space here as it now adds some character and that privacy, yet it's still very beautiful and bright in this area. And then here you can see it at dark. So honestly, if you're looking for privacy, I definitely recommend this privacy film from the brand.